Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study virology and microbiology. First, grasp the foundational concepts. Understand the basic structure of viruses, including their genetic material and protein codes. Learn about the diverse replication strategies viruses employ to multiply within host cells. Familiarize yourself with the major classification systems, which group viruses based on their characteristics. This strong base is crucial for advanced topics. To truly master virology, employ effective study techniques. Visual aids, such as diagrams and flowcharts, are incredibly helpful for understanding intricate viral life cycles. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing the names of hundreds of viruses, the diseases they cause, and their unique features. Actively engage with clinical case studies to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios, enhancing your diagnostic reasoning skills. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into more advanced concepts. Explore the mechanisms of antiviral drugs and the principles behind vaccine development, which are critical for disease control. Stay current by reading peer-reviewed scientific articles and reviews. Engaging with online forums and academic communities can also provide valuable insights and foster collaborative learning experiences. Finally, solidify your understanding by applying what you have learned. Connect the intricate viral mechanisms to the pathology of diseases and their epidemiological patterns. Regular review of foundational concepts is essential for long-term retention. If possible, seek out laboratory experiences. Hands-on work with techniques like cell culture or PCR can provide invaluable practical skills and deepen your comprehension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.